In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to Todoist. Adding photos can really make your projects and tasks more vivid and memorable, whether it's for keeping track of an evolving project or simply adding a visual reminder to a routine task. Let's go through the process together and make your Todoist experience even more engaging and personalized. First, go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the Todoist website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you've logged in, click on My Projects located on the left bar of your dashboard. This area houses all the various projects you've set up for yourself. Take a moment to locate and select the specific project you want to enhance with a photo. Now, within that chosen project, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a comment icon. It resembles a speech bubble. Go ahead and give that a click. Once you've clicked on the comment icon, a comment section will open up on the side of your screen. Here, you're able to add any additional details or context you need for a particular project. But today we're focusing on adding visual elements. So, in that comment area, look for the paperclip icon. The paperclip is your gateway to attach files. Click on it and then go ahead and choose the photo you'd like to add from your computer or external storage. Once selected, you will see the preview of your chosen image. All that's left now is to click on Comment to finalize the attachment of your photo. Your chosen photo is now added to your project and can be viewed at any time by others who have access or simply by revisiting the comment section. If your intention is to add a photo to an individual task rather than a project, it's quite simple. You'll want to start by navigating to your inbox, which is also located on the left sidebar. Inside the inbox, find and click on the specific task you want to enrich with a photo. With the task details pulled up, locate the paperclip icon once more. Just like before, click on it to attach your chosen image, and then hit Comment to affix your photo to the task. This approach of adding images to both tasks and meant projects can greatly improve the way you interact with your responsibilities and goals. It can turn dry to-do lists into visually rich reminders, making your workflow not just organized but also inspirational. So go on, try it out, and see how adding a splash of imagery can elevate your Todoist usage. Happy organizing!